Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Naya. In this video, I will be reviewing the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation and Concealer review slash tutorial. I will be using 90 to 95% NYX based products. I had to substitute a couple of times because I didn't realize I didn't have any setting spray, which I usually do, and some powder and some other stuff. But you'll see in the video how I substituted and how I kind of like repurposed some other products that I have here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe. I promise I got more for you in 2019, honey. And we're going to go ahead and get started on this video. So I like to use the NYX Proof It to kind of like make them behave themselves. And you know those people's brows you see when you're older and their hair is just going all over the place? That's what's going on with this brow. It's starting to get to that point where I get hairs. Now my husband has them too. Get hairs that are just doing their own thing. And that Proof It works really, really well to get them to do what they're supposed to, or what you want them to do. And I also have a NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade. This is in Espresso. I use this quite a bit. Let's try it. I haven't used it. I have used it recently, but I still have quite a bit. A little goes a long way. It's just something that my eyebrows are still something I'm still working on. It's just like anything, good days and bad. This is the Morphe 504, and I'm just going to go in with, I don't even know, these are so pretty. I'm gonna go in with these two lighter shades. Like I said, I don't really plan on having any plans, or I don't really know. I like them both. Okay. A lot of times these shadows, even though they're really light, show up really dark on my skin tone, even though I have the concealer on my eyes. A lot of times shadows still come off really, really dark. So I had to finish. I'm not sure where I left off yet because my camera overheated and I had to let it cool off. So all I did was finish up my eyes for now. I did finish up my wing liner and I applied mascara. And now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to finish the brows and the eyes. You know, you got to do stuff in steps. I do stuff in steps at least. I'm going to use the NYX Soft Focus. It is a dupe for the Tatcha primer, the Tatcha Canvas primer. It does have that waxy, not putty, but just like a little, I don't know, I can't really describe the feel of it. It's just the whole Tatcha Canvas vibes. I like to put my primer on in the beginning and then do my eyes because I like to let it set, do its thing, get into the skin a little bit. But for time's sake, we're going to keep it moving. So now the stars, one of the stars is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation in Mocha. For a while now, I have been gravitating towards using darker shades when I do my foundations. And then also one of my, for real, favorite foundation brushes. I go back and forth between brushes and sponges, which I do have the NYX sponge, but I did forget to wet it and I don't want to get up. So I'm going to use the brush instead to apply my foundation. we're just gonna skip it. Now we're gonna move along to the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer. Once again, I'm reminding you that I have the color Cappuccino, and this is gonna be the start of my highlight and contouring process. Just smells like makeup. There's nothing really to it. I'll pick up some of this excess product. She's looking kind of thick. I'm gonna cheat, and I'm gonna use Mercier translucent. Ooh, that's way too much. Okay, we'll make it work. To set my under eye and my highlighted spots. I did not get the Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. I believe the Ulta that I went to at that time didn't have it, and it was supposed to have gotten an order in yesterday, and I didn't go. I didn't go back to the store. So now I'm looking for another brush. I'm going to use my Old Faithful to highlight underneath my eyes. Okay, so my camera needed another timeout to cool off. It is what it is. I have the Sony a5000, so if you know that camera, you know it overheats. So while I was waiting on that, I went in and because I was setting my highlighted areas, which made me realize that I didn't do my contour. So I went in back into this highlight and contour palette, and I used the dark shade Hollow. And I did that, and I'm now using it again to do my nose. And I also forgot to do my nose contour, so I'm gonna spray my face again anyways for my highlight. But I'm going in with a no-name brush, angled brush, little small one. I'm just doing my nose real quick. Now we're gonna go in with some blush and highlight. I do not have any NYX highlighter. No, yeah, I already went through my drawer. I don't have anything from NYX in regards to a highlighter, and I probably could use this gold shade, but I'm not. So I'm gonna use something else. Let me get a blush brush. I'm gonna go in with, there we go. I'm gonna go in with this darker shade. Okay, just checking, there's no names on the back, so. Oh, that's my mirror. Not trying to look like nobody's grandma, but I do like blush. Ooh, too late. Oh no. Okay, let me just use a little no-name Beauty Creations Angel Glow highlighting palette. Just give myself a little small highlight. Is it, and go back into this palette, and I'm going to Take the shade that I used up top and add it on the bottom. See, even just something simple and everyday can still take some time. Oh, sorry, my head was itchy. Going back in with the NYX Pinup Tease mascara. It's the only NYX mascara that I have. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. And now we're gonna do lashes, because lashes and lips, that's what we have left. I'm rushing, but I'm not. I don't feel rushed. Like, I don't feel like I have to like hurry up and get off of here or anything like that. So you're not making me feel rushed. I don't know, just speeding up. And these are Ardell Wispies 113. 3 hours later, the lashes are finally on. I think this is gonna lift again. But I did spray my face to let the highlight and blush set in a little bit more. Alright, make sure my nose contour is okay. And now I'm gonna go with the lips. We're gonna end this almost done, almost done. We're gonna go with the NYX Suede. I forgot that I had NYX lip liner. Like, duh. We're gonna do the NYX Suede matte lip liner and Downtown Beauty. And then the NYX Slip Tease and Beyond Basic. So I don't have a lot of NYX lip products anymore. I did for a while, and I had to go through and get rid of a lot of them for because they got too old. So I had already had some gloss on my lips, and I have some little bit of foundation. So now we have the lip completely on. It is very nude, which I don't have a problem with. I just didn't realize it was going to be that nude. So, but that's okay. I do like it. What do you think of the completed look? I like it. Okay, so for the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, it is warm. But what I do like about the NYX product line overall is that they do cater to one of the few drugstore-based brands that do cater to all skin types. We are still very warm in their shades. Don't know why, but it is what it is. But we're still very warm. And even before highlighting and contouring, just by itself, before I did anything else, I did like it. I was a little worried at first, but it worked out. So I definitely would recommend absolutely the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Your under eye highlight, in my opinion, go as light as you want, but no matter what, it was still thick, it was still creamy. I did like the consistency of it. Thus far, it has not settled into any fine lines or given me any issues in regards to that. I do not like the applicator. I don't know. I don't I don't like the applicator. I don't know. I always feel like I need to wipe it off just to be able to use it. But that's not a deal breaker for me. There you go. That is my review of the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. It's that kind of day. I hope you like it. I hope you like the completed look as well. And I will see you on my next video. Mwah.